take a look at this goodness. Like, this is the first proper sandwich man's making for, I don't know, since God knows when. Oh my God. Hello guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It is your favorite baby girl, Dinah Ekweme, in the building. Yeah, cutting now. Wait, don't come and spoil this vlog for me. Anyway guys, I know it's been a long time. We did an in-house vlog, but today I'm bringing you guys all the sweetness, all the goofiness, all the goodness, all the everything. As you can see, we just started this vlog on a different wavelength by just filling our bellies with a very delicious sandwich. Oh, I know I've just been doing my motherhood series, pregnancy this, pregnancy that, what to do, what not to do, what I experienced and what not. The way we just totally put some Jachi aside, like he's not even part of us. If you're not following my Instagram, you're not even going to know how many months old my boy is. Anyway, some Jachi is currently 10 months old, and this particular vlog will highlight his developmental milestones, including the fact that he has started walking, like he has started taking steps here and there. Obviously, we've been stimulating him since God knows how long, since 7 months, since he became a professional crawler. We've been stimulating him. But then yeah, today we're just going to be, it's all going to be about some Jachi. It's not going to be about this woman right here. Anyway, yeah, that's just basically what this vlog is going to be showing you guys. Wait a minute. See guys, the whole of this week I've just been watching YouTubers. You know, sometimes you can be clouded with the fact that, I don't know, your circle, your subscription, especially here on YouTube, is majorly Nigeria. Because you always want to be inspired by Nigerian content creators, you just fail to realize that other parts of the world exist. And I'm not the type to watch interracial couples. The only interracial couple that I was really into since uni, like proper, I even started dreaming, when am I going to enter Australia and go and find my own white man? At the time was Jamie and Nikki. I don't know if you guys watched them. I don't know if you guys have heard of them. But then life happened and they're no longer together. They're separated or they're divorced. I don't know what the situation is right now. And it's really sad that I was so involved. I was so into the whole, you know, beautiful. But of recent, I have not just found an interracial couple that I'm watching. I have found an emotic one. An Igbo woman that married a British man. This is Igbo by Igbo. Igbo. She doesn't do funny. You see this funny we are doing here. She's not all about it. And her channel, oh my God, the whole of yesterday night I was just laughing. There's one I'm going to share on my community area. Just hold on for that one. I was just laughing. The name of their channel is David and Chi for Chinyere. This lady, oh my God, she's everything funny, elegant, and Igbo. I'll be leaving the link to their channel in the description area. Go and have some laugh. Go and let them know that you're coming from the Dynamite family. David and Chi is that interracial couple to watch, and just amazing. I'll be leaving the name of their channel on the screen and their link in the description area. Go and represent. Tell them that we're watching them all the way from Nigeria. If you're watching them from US, UK, Germany, Spain, Australia, wherever you're watching them from, let them know that you're a dynamite from a certain committee that have come to support them.
Got enough of every melody.
From month 7 up until now, we've done a whole lot, trying to get some Jachi to do certain things, you know, grow professionally, walk and all of that. He is really smart, and the encouragement from all of us, from my mom, my husband, I just gets him going. And all the credit goes to him, because he totally wants to do it all. He totally wants to do it all. So I would say, if you're a mom, don't compare your baby to other babies. I have family members that their babies started walking as early on as 8 months. I was like, oh my god, when will Somjachi walk? That pressure on myself. Thank god I didn't pressure him. It was just me thinking, when is he going to walk? But then thankfully, just by encouraging him, stimulating him with, you know, little distractions, his toys, everything, he just surprised us this month. Because we're even thinking maybe he would walk by August, maybe on his birthday, we don't know. Anyway, his milestones so far are just a few, but he's confidently doing a whole lot. Like you can see here, he can give and take. He can say hello, he can understand simple Igbo, bia nyem were bilioto. He listens to his name, he responds, and he can differentiate between strangers and familiar faces. A whole lot is going on this period, and I'm just in awe of it all. He's a professional biter. They bite pieces, and he mimics a lot as well. As you can see here, he is just everything. But anyway guys, yeah, that's about it for his 10 months milestones. There are obviously little ones that they matter, but I'm not going to be stressing on that, like Papa, Mama. He called Papa first before Mama. Like guys, even up until date, he calls Papa before Mama. But yeah, he can eat certain foods by himself, like cheese balls and all of that. But majorly, that's just about it. So far, I wouldn't say that Somjachi is lagging seriously in any milestone of his. I feel like he's taking everything one step at a time. Anyway guys, that is that for today. Please do not forget to go to David and Chi's channel. Remember, the link will be in the description area below. Go let them know that we are watching from far away Africa, US of A, Germany, Australia, India, wherever you're watching from. Know that you're coming from the Dynamite family. Like I said, they are one of the most interesting interracial couples that you will ever see on this YouTube street. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what sort of videos you'd love to see me and Somjachi do in the nearest future. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. For now, bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Yeah, bye.